السلام عليكم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وصلى الله على نبينا وعلى جميع الأنبياء والمرسلين وكل من تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. This session today is we speak about a story of Adam. This story is very important, and we must know what we have done in the past, like the error which gives a result as which we are here in this life. This is why we must know this story. Our parents, Adam and his wife, they are in paradise, in the garden in paradise, with Satan. And God, our Senior, had revelated some verses at Adam and his wife. And they must respect these verses. He revelated just 3 verses. 1, 2, 3 verses. And they must respect these 3 verses. The first verse, number 35, Al-Baqarah, God said, وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ أَنْتَ وَزَوْجُكَ الْجَنَّةَ. We said, O Adam, inhabit the garden of the paradise, inhabit the garden, you and your wife. وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ اسْكُنْ, inhabit, أنت وزوجك الجنة, inhabit the garden of paradise, you and your spouse. وَكُلَا مِنْهَا, and eat from the garden of paradise. وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا, and eat from it freely as you please. And eat from it freely as you please. This is the first verse. The second verse is in the garden in paradise there is one tree in paradise, and God, our Senior, had forbidden this tree. From all paradise is forbidden this tree. This is the second verse. God said, وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ وَلَا تَقْرَبَا هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ فَتَكُونَا مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. Do not approach this tree, lest you become wrongdoers, or lest you become unjust. This is the second verse. Number 35, Al-Baqarah 2, say. The third verse is, God said, وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ إِنَّ هَذَا عَدُوٌّ لَكَ وَلِزَوْجِكَ. We said, O Adam, this is an enemy to you and your wife. Number verse 117, Taha. We said, "Oh Adam, this is an enemy to you and your wife. So do not let him make you leave the garden. Do not let him took out the paradise. For then you will suffer. If you don't do that, you will suffer." This is the three verses which God, our Seigneur, revelated at our parents, Adam and his wife. And they must respect these verses. Now, we see, you will see the speech of Satan. Watch. He said, Satan said, وقال ما نهاكما ربكما عن هذه الشجرة. He said, your Lord has only forbidden you this tree إلا أن تكونا ملكين أو تكونا من الخالدين. 20 Al-A'raf. He said, your Lord has only forbidden you this tree, lest you become ageless or you live to eternity. This is the speech of Satan. Now, we analyze these informations. You see here that God, our Seigneur, has revealed just three verses. And these three verses contain informations. And they must respect these verses to stay comfortable in paradise. But Satan let the time go to let our parents to forget these verses. And with the time, while the time go, our parents Adam and his wife had forget these verses. Then at this time, Satan communicate with our parents and gives them this speech, this information, some informations. What he said, what information gives them. He gives them the informations that if you eat from this tree, we become ageless or we live at to eternity. And Adam, his wife, want to live to eternity. And he forget that God, our Seigneur, had revealed that which told with you is Satan, is your enemy. So, if they don't forget this, they know that which we told with him is their enemy, and Satan want to took him out of the garden paradise. The informations which give Satan at our parents is what? Is if we eat from this tree, we become angels, or you live to the eternity. When we analyze these informations to the information to the information given by God in these verses, the information given by Satan is not here. They are not here in the verses. The verses given by God is not appear. This information which is given by Satan. This information given by Satan, they aren't here in the verses given by God. And at the first time, in first look, quickly we see that this information is a trap of Satan, and we must do not follow this information. We must follow the information of God and not the information of Satan. This information is not here. This is the error which our parents had do. And this is the exam for the first exam for our parent. And he failed the exam. Now, our parent had failed this exam, and Satan has succeeded in this exam. And God, and the result of this exam, our parent took out the paradise, took out this garden. And God, our Senior, had given us a second exam, that we are here in this life. We are in the second exam, and we must take carefully from the first exam, and do not make the same mistake, same error. Do not repeat the same error. And if the first error has the result what we are here in this life, the second exam and the second exam and second error is not to talk out the garden of paradise, but go to hell. Go hell. Or go to hell. This is why we must know this history is very, very important. And what we want, what we will do in this life, in this exam, what we will do. This exam, the second exam is exactly the same as the first exam. It's exactly the same. In the first exam, we have God has revealed some verses, and Satan gives us information, and we must respect the information given by God. If we want to return at the paradise, the garden, we must respect the verses given by God. This is the reason. This is success. The second exam which we have in this life, God has revelated verses like this. This is the book. This is the book which contains the verses like this. The second exam. The second exam is the book. Is this book, and the second exam is this verses of God which is revealed in this book, like this, exactly like this, and we must respect these verses which contain this book, and control any informations we receive. We must control any information with the information given by God in this book, and any information we receive and control with this information in book, and we don't found, and if this information is not found in this book, we must reject this information. This information is from Satan, and don't follow this information. We must follow the information given by God in this book. Any information out of the book, we don't follow it as from Satan. If we don't do that, we go to hell. This is the exam. Same exam, same at the exam, the first exam. We are in exam. And this is the exam. This is the exam. Here the exam is 3. But here, in our exam, is this book, the verses of this book. We must follow the verses of this book, and don't follow anything out of this book. Anything, any information. Any information out of the book, this book, is from Satan. This is the lesson. This is what I give this lesson, and say that this lesson session is very important, and this history of Adam is repeated many times in the book. The God has revealed the history of this Adam in the book and repeated many times in the book. Why? To do not repeat the same thing, same error. To do not repeat the same error. Thank you. Salam alaikum.